Hello students. Yesterday we had studied about the chapter photosynthesis. So let's give a very quick revision of this chapter by solving some questions. Question number 1. Name the following. The category of organisms that prepare their own food from basic raw materials. B. The kind of plastid found in the mesophyll cells of the leaf. C. The compound which stores energy in the cells. D. The first form of food substance produced during photosynthesis. E. The organisms that can be called natural purifiers of the air. F. The source of carbon dioxide for aquatic plants. G. The part of chloroplast where the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place. H. The tissue that transports manufactured type of starch from leaves to all parts of the plant. So answer number 1 A. Producers are autotrophs. B. Chloroplast. C. ATP. D. Glucose. E. Green plants. F. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water. G. Stroma. H. Phloem. Question number 2. Oxygen is a waste product of photosynthesis. Comment. Oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Some of this oxygen may be used in respiration in the leaf cells, but the major portion of it is not required and it diffuses out into the atmosphere through the stomata. However, in a sense, even this oxygen is not a waste because all organisms require it for their existence, including the plant. Why is it necessary to place a plant in a dark before starting an experiment on photosynthesis? Explain. The presence of starch is regarded as evidence of photosynthesis. Hence, before starting an experiment on photosynthesis, the plant should be placed in the dark for 24 to 48 hours to de-starch the leaves. During this period, all the starch from the leaves will be sent to the storage organs and the leaves will not show the presence of starch. So, the various experiments on photosynthesis can be carried out effectively. Question number 4. Why is it not possible to demonstrate respiration in a green plant kept in sunlight? If a green plant is kept in bright light, it tends to use up all the carbon dioxide produced during respiration for photosynthesis. Thus, the release of carbon dioxide cannot be demonstrated. Hence, it is difficult to demonstrate respiration as these two processes occur simultaneously. Question number 5. How do non-green plants such as fungi and bacteria obtain their nourishment? Non-green plants such as fungi and bacteria obtain their nourishment from decaying organic matter in their environment. This matter comes from dead animals and plants. Fungi and bacteria break down the organic matter to obtain the nourishment and they release carbon dioxide back in the atmosphere. Question number 6. Enumerate the steps involved in testing a green leaf for the presence of starch. Test to determine the presence of starch in a leaf. First point, dip a leaf in boiling water for a minute to kill the cells. Second point, boil the leaf in methylated spirit in water bath to remove the chlorophyll till the leaf turns pale blue and becomes hard and brittle. Third point, now place the leaf in hot water to soften it. Next, place the leaf in a petri dish and pour iodine solution over it. Next, the appearance of a blue-black color on the leaf is indicative of the presence of starch. And last, the absence of starch is indicated by a brown coloration. So students, I hope that all of you will be writing these answers and questions in your leftover pages of your assignment or weekly test copies or classwork or homework copies. And you will be trying to solve the rest of the questions of your book. So, we are finishing this chapter here. Thank you.